what have you noticed in terms of like, I don't know how easy this is for you to measure, but yeah, just in terms of results, like how has this helped you grow Simply Strong, do you think? And Katie, I'd probably direct that your way, and obviously Ed, feel free to chime in.
Well, again, as my dad said, I think it helps to build your brand.
Hmm.
And we've been open now for over 10 years, and we've grown every single year. And the awards kind of help to spread the word about our business in the community and word of mouth. So, I mean, the customers that we do have, they tell everyone, they tell their family, they tell their friends, they tell their neighbors. Uh, And so, it spreads organically like
Amazing.
that. hmm But yeah, you have anything to add to that? No.
No. You
But
said it all.
words posted kind of up front for people to look at. And they do. They look at it. And then they either ask questions about it or they congratulate us. To have that 3 consecutive years is
I
really
think it's so powerful, guys. I think it's so powerful for bringing in new leads and increasing conversion on all of your free workouts. I think it's excellent. It's so impressive. Um, Before we wrap, may I ask what number of sessions are you guys doing on like a weekly basis these days? If you don't mind me asking.
sure. No, that's okay. We do
Yeah.
anywhere from 200 to 250 sessions a week.
Boom.
Last
Wonderful.
year was the first year where we were doing over 1,000 workouts a month. And so this year, yes, that's our goal, is to do anywhere between 850 to 1,050 workouts a month.
Amazing. Ah, awesome. Just really impressive.